Hi guys, so today I'll be explaining to you how to use if-else condition and wait steps inside Shopify IO workflows. So inside the workflow, click the plus button, then select if-else to add condition to branch. Then set your condition like example na to is if contact has tag VIP, send message, then else send number. Then use wait steps to delay actions by minutes, hours, or days. So this allows your workflow to behave differently based on your contact's behavior or data. So example na to is putato dali. So nanatay condition, so muna itong action and trigger. So wala tag if else. So muna to ang condition, action name. So branch na to. Mag-select na dali workflow trigger, select an operator is then Facebook lead. So muna na siya. So once na naset mo na siya, save na nimo na siya. So muna ni condition niya. Then mo na ni ang imong if else. So condition if workflow triggers is Facebook blah blah blah. Lead form submitted, then none is when none of the conditions are met. So both sila mag-end. So butan na to dali Dito magbutang o another wait for ito, 6 hours. So mag-wait sa 6 hours to delay this allows to workflow to delay differently. So not just wait, so tanto dali if ano na siya, pwede siya mag-send SMS. Yeah, so nito ko dali hi, then save action. So automatically once na ma-trigger ni siya, mag-wait 6 hours. After 6 hours, mag-send na siya SMS. So this allows your workflow to behave differently based on your contact behavior or data. So that would be all. Thank you.